Good afternoon, country people. Then we glad for meet up una for this part 2 for Tori for inside we own health office for Douala side here. Tori for this afternoon we go enter for talk as waiting that it happen with the hearsay honorable Fossey Namukong Wilfred, a house for that side for Bafut. They born am yesterday night. This afternoon, we go talk that palaver with the photo them where we get them from Bafut. Now so to go take una with Tonton for inside Bengui and Kumba today on a Monday. How life is there for that side? Una go try for Siam. Tori too, we go take una. We talk this palaver suffer where people them for Otele now for Center region. They don't be sote for 2 months where lights in no day. All this story them we go finish them with other story that we them inside we box. We get newspaper says where the day for we before we'll go bring them for now. Big part of for this month afternoon it tell we say Pikin wey dey send make e go buy salt, e no get for play with e combi dem under rain. Say Pikin wey dey send am for go buy salt, e no get for make mistake for play with e combi dem for under rain. Big part talk e comot na for bull rice, na for that side. So for whom e dey she done wey e send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una again for part 2 for with Tori as will be promised for now for a morning time. Afternoon, other Tori then says we dey for inside report will be the Cookam. Chapter 1, we go take una just now. We go for village for Honorable Fossey Namukong Wilfred. We he says yesterday, it be for a Saturday day. He said they don't burn a house for that side, so for a village. As we Tori enter, we hear the burning. It passed now yesterday for night. As we hear, and just now, people then says they put fire for Honorable Fossey Namukong Wilfred the house. So now we never feel for Sabi and how will the fire take start, but Sabi say plenty. All the part for a house, all corner for a house, fire be enter for day for yesterday for inside the village for Honorable Fossey Namukong Wilfred a day now for that side. So for Bafut for inside the Bamenda as well we say so meet up and for this morning time now only the house where it is so it don't burn now pour them that way the day for outside we now after we house for Honorable Fossey Namukong Wilfred people them they put fire for day it be there now yesterday for night. Another story for this afternoon, we go remain for inside the Bamenda. People there with the Sabim Bengui fine and place where they call them say Mbong Motor Park. As well as Sabim for normal day for people there they ever be for that place. Now normal day this for inside Bengui town for that motor park. Binet it happen. Plenty people them they do their normal binet for normal day where people then say they never talk to me they should done for house. As well as now so the place it use of flop for day they like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so even maybe Sunday. As well all people them for inside Bengui and people there they say for this Mbong motor park for Bengui they take how the motor park, how the place day today, and must make we enter for this chapter just now for talk this palaver na the area this for this afternoon. So tonton for day all people them no one been a place you know they open today in a Monday you see space for that side so from Mbong motor park now for inside Bengui now for under Momo division for side where they call them say northwest now for Sika say plenty of the bina people them and people there they make market for that side today. Them to the day for inside house for Seka this palaver where they call them say country Sunday. Sabi say just now only one eye person like person say we see for that for that bicycle one I see where it drive now only one we meet up as we it tonton and some few people then too we meet up them for road where they go not for farm or not for their house no ask me but it be then a chapter way today no nothing you know the show for that side so for inside Bengui now for inside Momo as we see for that side too for Kumba you know they easy as we road they quiet today for C1 Okada say for that side or even yellow motor motor this afternoon. It be day strong as we even governor office and SSF the lock, and we dey see now one people them for road where they turn for that side. So for inside Kumba, plenty people them they don't sit down them for house for sake of this palaver. Say country Sunday as we road them they quiet, and all man now for inside house, taxi, private motor or even Okada, no one know the waka for road. We go come out for that side. So for inside the country Sunday, we turn back for Bamenda. Sabi say as we rain place it don't dry. Now dust says it the key people them just now for that side. So for inside Bamenda, and Sabi say as we the dust day now for Sika say road it was warm, but we hear say that we don't fair throw some small sand for the road them. As we they don't throw ground. Now so two people there they make binet for corner road. Now them say they hear bad for Sika say dust way they come up for roads, they meet up them now right for inside them place. Now for Sika why that we army rescue people them when big commander David Edgar also here in a Lamboy them they come out say me they go water road according to way the big captain for army rescue for inside Bamenda the talk. He say now for Sika they plenty dust way don't flow for town, but Sabi say people then they where they ask na question this palava where they come water road now how many times they go do for Sika say after where they go finish water road 2 hours after or 3 place it go don't dry with dust it goes also turn back. So they ask them if they go the water the road na all time or na just one time for inside one day. Now where they ask question as well the replace say the ask them, but Sabi say they work for army rescue it be just then a part of them work with they get for do for so say they be combi with other people them with they know the work with them for side for inside Bamenda. We be don't talk inside Tori 2 palava for people them for Otele then for inside center region as well as these people them they suffer, they hear bad for sick as say all thing for them when place it don't dark, place it don't be na thing where they no fit on. So mommy them they use the na touch inside touch, they use na touch where they use them for see as well they go look place. Even people there they make binet they also use na touch. So Otele people them they don't sit down for 2 months just now where light it never pass for them. They say even if light it come it just come the go. Now this we own Benin man it is try for look out people them their fish when they can give them it go weigh them then he keep them for side they so it sure say it no go spoil. But just now this kind of light the way they so put them for tele they use them picking themselves Amos why Amos will continue if Sabi say even picking themselves for inside the side for Otele they use na Turukang now they use and then book for inside this palava. We go take una just now. We go for site for Brazzaville now for inside Douala here. Now for inside Douala here where they do this thing. Country people them for inside Brazzaville with the talk na this palava for a fire where it cash. Ebi then this weekend will just finish and 2 snag by them as we Tori he enter for we here 2 snag by the way they so they catch fire for that side. So for inside Brazzaville army rescue people them as we the land where population for that side they be the vex say they so the army rescue people them they be don't can late for sick other one they be one even start for attack people them for army rescue. Sabi say according to Captain Afu Hansen know that the first time where these people them for this side they make open eye whenever they come for can lost fire. But Sabi say this fire be born now only that 2 snag by them for side for Brazzaville as we Tori enter for we EM a born even a small part for company where the local light some of their house where it be there for corner side with this snag bar it be there. Sabi say them too they be get some more trouble for that side as we it dey so this fire it be burn that house too small for seeker the fire will burn. But Sabi say the army rescue people them they come for can control for say make this fire it no burn quick just for inside this palava. Sabi say we be get other chapter before army rescue be one come where population says for inside the place where they call them say Brazzaville. They be don't already start for lost the fire as soon as they see them. They be start for one side the one now for stop say me army rescue they no come, but after that one before the boy even enter with them they be don't struggle for lost fire for sideway defeat as soon as they see the population for inside Brazzaville. According to them, they be don't call army rescue people they no gree come, so them they be start for see what they go do for lost fire. Say make the fire no enter for inside that company where it dey so it the local lights where their own big office where they pay it be just there for corner, so they be use all kind of water, even the smelly water for water home for use them for lost fire for inside that place. And Sabi say also Sabi say army rescue people they will come, they go attack security SSF every day. We be get Jamie people them for number 2 where they be there. Near the SSF they be there. Their work now for make and say make this population for that side. So for Brazzaville no jump on top by army rescue people them where they become for can look at that fire. It be there na strong one as so the population they no be one even for years say they so army rescue they don't come. So all big people them for near them where it dey na gendarme people them and Ketu police, all them they be there for try for see as so they go control this population where they vex for sick as say according to them army rescue people them they be don't can late and they no be one time say may they continue for a lost the fire, so it be make them they be vex they turn up for them. Some of the thing them where they be turn come out na this game machine where they so they take all we 100 them we coin them for inside Cameroon. Now the only thing that where they come out for inside that place where he born the snack bar, the thing the way they come out we get some cargo them way they last come out now only small and mostly that game machine them where they come out and the game machine and that way they come out for outside. Now the only thing that where they come out for say born for inside that fire we a cash for side where they call them say Brazzaville. Make we hear wait to one person say for day he talk for Ash Tese and Jonathan Babila.
When we light go back, they put the generator. When they put generator, we want to see now where some coup secure happen, and where they be don't put for inside by the buy. But we want to see we run first because the fire be kind of tron. We don't be fit. We don't be get extender for lost the first fire. Now we there for course now sapeur pompier. When we call sapeur pompier, they know the house. Only 3 Hawaii time. They know the house. We want to see now when fire don't take all place. So take for energy light. We want to see now where they can't wear water no day. They can't wear water no day for do why now? For do why? That house and container bar. Now the one person. Now one person. Maybe not 2 person. Now only one person.
And as well the team be hot, as well I be talk for now for that side. So for inside this Brazzaville Palavam, army rescue they become, it no be easy. Make we take una turn back for Brazzaville. I just saw it be hot as so population be denied say make army rescue people they no can lost fire for sick as say them the talk say they come late. Now Sabi Seb say as so this arraignment come Amos maybe if you find we'll finish chapter for fire first before we enter for bone. We take una go to for Bamenda for talk say small so regional delegation or delegation for this palaver for forestry and one life for inside Bamenda. That one too for born if no be na so army rescue people they SSF they be dey quick for inside that place where they call am say Momo. Now delegation for forestry small so if for born and they talk say people necessary they put fire for they no sabi. Now for backside where they take put the fire for before you know go sabi self say they so they be put fire for them. But as we army rescue people necessary they be go they quick. Now so they go for go lost that fire we burn for inside that regional or delegation. A delegation for forestry for inside that Momo. The fire as we talk it pass na through window. Now they put the fire question where they no fit sabi but inside the office now for that side we go sabi say true thing them be born cargo the way they use them like this photocopy machine computer they be already start for born before army rescue people themselves they come lost the fire. This one it happen as we people them they be the glad number 1 day for inside the new moon way we dey for inside. Last story for this afternoon now for inside we own Yawin themselves we it dey so to them for that side they catch a boy them we man them where they go dig bone them they one can sell them big commander Babangida na be there for before and now the 3 people then this where they catch them with the bone from Fandena quarter for Yawinde where they already dig them they one can maybe net for them for Yawinde. So just now they judge them and now only Ngatam it go be the next place where they go Shidon. Now, so we see the country with the small image I will get them for we before this afternoon. We get newspaper them for we before. We go start with the Star newspaper where they outside this afternoon. Country people them inside the Star newspaper waiting they like the strong number. They tell we for the Star newspaper say they so Nkunkuma don't promise say whether na waiting vote for 2020 for number 9 day for number 2 moon. It must to happen. Say security it go there for all side. Now one of the strong thing that we talk as we end be the talk for population inside the end of year Tori for people them. Holy Father says now Papa for Roma he don't put plenty laugh for face them for people that for northwest and southwest as we don't give new archbishop for Bamenda and new person we go look out Boya diocese so the time where they go give appoint for new people them. Inside the same chapter the Star newspaper he talk bye for one Tory man where he died too inside the same chapter. Other strong number them if you read them for the Star newspaper. The guidance post where they outside today he look out he concentrate he work. Now for the work where Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute he don't do the good sides and the thing that way they did for before we get for check as we he go handle them. Sabi say Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute he don't sit down on top chair just now 365 day them for office and a good thing that we don't get them as we they talk say for before thing they also they strong now concentrate where the guidance post he concentrate on top Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute as we don't sit down for 1 year for inside office. We enter for Chronicle Times. Inside Chronicle Times you go read Tori 2 1 year for inside office for Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute when a head from Gomnam they talk how God says help EDC Jongute. If you read that Tori if you buy the Chronicle Times and waiting be the challenge where he go get them for it before as we so she done like Prime Minister Tori between Paul and Joseph the Time Chronicle 2 he get them for inside the system. Municipal updates another one way they outside this afternoon they tell we say 365 days them for Prime Minister. Now one way they no fit overtalk say na just better work he don't do correct man as we the municipal update he talk for him. John Gute says they tell we na very serious man as we Christian Cardinal Tumi says he talk waiting way he don't do waiting to a Archbishop says Nkia he talk Palava Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute. You feel read for municipal update where he day outside this afternoon. We enter for Le Gideon inside Le Gideon they tell we Palava for the end for year Tori when Nkunkuma Nakam. They tell we as we they so just now he never so continue for talk say they so he go stop that war as we Minister Gideon he talk and he don't talk say just now he go so continue for see country he go now only for before he go read other strong number them inside municipal inside the Gideon where he consign Palava Antonio Gutierrez and Gratango Palava number them for people the way he they so they don't run come out for sake of this chapter for Norwest and Southwest way it been a big problem them. Other tori them, you fit for read them inside the Logidium. The post where they outside, it tell we chop for people them where they don't run for Sika Palava for Northwest and Southwest. People them for Northwest, they say they don't want them chop. They want and I say make the popcorn. It stop. Ngomna SSF and United Nations just now they no degree for the number for people there they don't run come out and one day they hear back for Sika this Palava for Northwest and Southwest. You read that story for inside the post. The post SSF it get other tongue number them where if you for read them where it day outside this afternoon. We enter for Horizon newspaper to a day outside country people them inside the Horizon newspaper. They try for Terry 1 year for Ngomna for Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute. Waiting they don't do and waiting they challenge for them before. You feel for read them for Horizon where they outside. Now so to if you read to him where it concerns some gendarme man where he die when people them vex nakam for Sika say he kill his own woman. Now for that side so for West region you go read to for Horizon where it concern people there they want put Sansan inside Gary for a general manager for Camter, the only anglophone where he be the first for be like big man for inside Camter. Now Ma Judith Iya Sunday if you read that story better for Horizon. Eden newspaper too it tell we as we dey so Buhari he don't talk say for 2023 he no go enter again for politics. He go comot quiet. You go read story too as when Nkunkuma don't swear say this so he go make am people there they hold gun with the no one surrender. He go finish with them. If you read story too as when people them for Northwest Southwest they glad with the chop when Nkunkuma send them for them for glad their new year. Other strong number them you go read them for Eden newspaper where it day outside. If you want read other to read them better now just for you for go for any of the side that they say them we go buy your own you should done you read them in the proper. We get case for person where he don't lost this afternoon country people them. So we go show na the photo. The bikini name na on a man. The man name na Kamta David. They talk say he lost for number 23 day for December moon for 2019. They talk say come up for his own house for sorry they call him say Makenene and as you say one go enjoy and for ya ngando them for his family for inside Douala here and since that time he don't disappear they never see him they no sabi say last end so pa he get na 65 years and pa he hate eternal fine so he no get no problem with he hate so just now the family for Kamta they beg any person where he don't see this their papa or he keep am for some side make it try for call the tingy number the way they for before tele 676 372 400 695 47 725 or if you bring the power for Equinox Tori House they say plenty dash et dit wait you. La famille Kamta annonce la disparition de leur papa, le nommé Kamta David, depuis le lundi 23 décembre 2019 et serait parti de sa domicile à Makenene pour passer les fêtes de fin d'année auprès de sa famille à Douala et depuis là il est porté disparu. Il est âgé de 65 ans et jouit de toutes ses facultés mentales. La famille Kamta prie toute personne qui retrouvait ou hébergeait leur père de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro que vous voyez sur l'écran 676 372 400 695 047 725 ou la conduit à la télévision Equinox contre très forte récompense. Now they told them that for this afternoon country people them we want to say big thank you for Amos Fongor, we get Zephyrin Gondi and even Malice where they make una see story for this side. Again, happy birthday for you, Yvette Nyake Makoge. We go meet up for some time on a whole I'm tight for outside.